welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to tell you why I bought and love my Blackstone griddle. Alright, so if you've been to my channel before, you know I'm a big time Pit Boss user. and I added the Blackstone griddle, the 36-inch Pro Series, to my outdoor kitchen. And I'll tell you what, if you like to barbecue outside with a regular propane grill, pellet grills, smoker, whatever, a flat top griddle, oh man, it'll complete your outdoor cooking experience. Whatever you can't cook on your pellet stove or on your propane or your pellet grill, sorry, not stove, your flat top griddle can do the rest. I've always said with my Pit Boss pellet grill, if it goes in the oven, it goes in the Pit Boss. Well, if it goes on the stove, it goes on the flat top. It's just so easy. You could do your whole entire meal. I've got a couple of videos where I've used them both, and I'm sure I'll be making more. But I got to tell you, getting a flat top griddle is one of the best things added to my outdoor kitchen. If you're a current subscriber, you know that a lot of my cooks have to do with a Pit Boss pellet grill. It's right over here. So I just wanted to do a review and a little reason why I bought it. And then just like when I bought my pellet grill, it all comes down to the features that you're looking for. And this Blackstone, the Pro Series 36-inch, has the cabinet below, has the lid that closes. And you know, yeah, I know some people probably wonder why I didn't go with the Pit Boss. Well, they didn't have these features. Their 36-inch one, they have one that the lid closes, but I like this one because this, you know, your shelves are still there. You don't have to fold them up and over. You just open the lid and close it. It keeps the dust and other debris from these windy days here off of the top of the flat top, and it's just real convenient. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. If you want to know, be notified when I post some new videos, be sure to ring that bell. And so with that said, let me show you a little bit about this Blackstone. Okay, so here's the 36-inch Blackstone Pro Series. You notice it has two drawers. It has a cabinet for the propane. It has side shelves. It has the magnetic strip for your tools, and it also has hangers on both sides. Oh, with this Pro Series, it also has this little wired thing here, right, for a trash bag. You can put a regular 13-gallon trash bag on there, but a store bag also works, and especially if you're just doing a single cook and you don't want to leave your trash bag on there, you can throw your trash in there, remove it, throw it away. Fits perfect. Well, let me show you with the 13-gallon. Here it is with the regular tall kitchen trash bag. Pulls right over there, and you can just throw all your trash right in there. And talk about convenient. Man, I love having a little trash bag out here, and I'll even throw stuff in there from when I'm smoking on my Pit Boss. So that's an awesome feature. So now we got the drawers over here. Okay, so you do have the cabinet for your propane bottle right in there. I did steal my propane grill gas line because it has the shows you how much gas you have in it. I just swapped them out, took it off my propane grill and put the one from here in there. So you'll also have steam pans and lids and stuff like this that you'll acquire. Yeah, with some precision you can get this to fit up in here, and it can stay inside. It won't hurt anything being in there. So that's another added feature. You can put a couple of things in there. Now, like I was talking about the tools, the top drawer, here's all my tools. I've got the pad, I've got the spatula, get that out of there. I got the scraping tool, the burger, smash burger kit. I've got some tongs, I've got my heat gun. I even have a bigger long spatula that I use over on my Pit Boss, but also my salt, pepper, garlic. So that drawer holds all this stuff, and I'm sure it holds even more. Great place to keep your stuff instead of taking up a drawer in your kitchen, or you know, somewhere in your garage, or just having them, if you have the open underneath, you know, just leaving them out in the open. I just didn't want to do that. So this was a major feature that I wanted in choosing a flat top griddle. And of course, using a flat top, you're going to use oils, olive oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, avocado oil, just a bunch of different oil, and water. You know, you need a squirt bottle for water, especially after using it to clean it up. So in this drawer down here, I have some rags. Just buy like Sam's Club or Costco, just get a bunch of cloth rags for cleaning. It holds your paper towels, spray bottle. I got my canola, I got water, avocado oil, and olive oil. They all fit right in here. All my rags, whatever else, any other large items. I even have my drip pan in here, the extra drip pans. So, speaking of the paper towels, check this out. Over here on the side, where the trash bag goes, is this arm right here, and that arm is specifically for your paper towels. And talk about being convenient. I don't leave them out here because of the wind. I don't want them to be everywhere. So when I'm done, I just take them off of here, get the big drawer, and set them right inside. How convenient is that? So with the Pro Series and this cabinet, it just holds everything. Pit Boss doesn't have anything like that. So there you have it. They're the Blackstone 36-inch Pro Series griddle. Like I said, we've got the 36-inch. Lid stays like that. Now the lid is mainly to keep it clean. You can close the lid when you're cooking on it, but it doesn't do the steaming or keep the heat as well as one of those lids like I have down here in the cabinet. Or a pan or whatever. Sometimes you just need to put a lid on things to cook the top part of it instead of just the bottom. Okay, so that's about it with this Blackstone. Like I said, I do still love my Pit Boss, and I've got the whole outdoor kitchen going on here. I've got a couple of Pit Bosses, the Tailgater, and then I have the Pro Series 1100. So this Blackstone griddle, this just put the icing on the cake. This thing right here, man, I can do so many things with this that I can't do with my Pit Boss, and I can do so many things with my Pit Boss that I can't do with Blackstone. And like I said, when you combine and make your entire meal outside, part of it on the flat top, part of it on the pellet grill, what more do you need? Well, besides maybe a pit barrel smoker, but that'll come soon. I do have the Weber Smoky Mountain right there. It's not quite a pit barrel smoker, but it kind of does the same thing. And then you've all seen my ugly old island that I've got here. It's a wire cart with a piece of cement board. This will all be changing pretty soon. I just haven't got around to fixing it up, but you will see a video on that. So, why I bought and love my Blackstone 36-inch Pro Series flat top griddle. You just heard it. All the features I wanted, and Blackstone is the only one I could find that actually offered all these features. So there you have it. Okay, so that's why I bought my Blackstone. If you have any questions about it, go ahead and ask in the comments. On my Pit Boss, I waited almost a year, just under a year before I did why I bought it and why I love it, because you know I was unfamiliar with pellet grills, and I wanted to make sure it was going to perform how I wanted. I used it all the time, 2 to 3 times a week, and sometimes more. And it you know, it holds up great. As far as the Blackstone, I already know what that is. I know it's going to last. I know, you know, I mean, it's a flat top griddle. Pellet smoking was new to me, so I didn't wait a year to do my Blackstone, why I bought it, and a little bit of a review on it. And thanks for watching. I I hope you come back and watch some of the cooks that I have on here, or just go back through my videos and check some of them out. I do hope you subscribe. I really appreciate everybody that subscribes and everybody that makes comments. You know, good or bad, I'll answer them the best I can. And again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you on the next video.